Okay guys, and welcome again to
Scotland's West Coast.
Yes, well, we're here in sunny Largs again, and we're going to head up towards the prom and show you the classic car show. So we've got our clobber on. We're supporting Mercedes and F1 because Spa's on today as well. So if you want to join us, then let's get it on.
Look, there's swans over there.
Where? Oh aye, oh yeah, so there is. Okay guys, let's go up towards the classic car show.
Wait! It's Ragnar's birthday.
Oh yeah, it's Ragnar's birthday today. Say hello, Ragnar. And he's going to try his best not to smash me in the man marbles again.
What is that you?
No, cut!
I don't know behind my stuff, remember?
Some guys fishing. I've never seen anybody catch a fish there in my entire life. I'm down here every day. Right, let's get to the car show.
Let's go.
This is the start of the market. They've got a wee marketplace here as well with food and stuff. So I'll show you about here. Oh no, they found this market stall again. It's got these things. What are they called?
What called?
They things there. You don't know? Is that not the boo-boo things? I don't even know what I'm talking about. It's actually a decent wee turnout today, considering it's no heavy rain, but it's
Why did people park in here?
still quite right. It's quite right.
Why did people park in here?
Because it's a classic car show.
Can I go in it?
Yeah, we're going to show them as well.
I want a Stitzler boob.
You
Give
want-
me one, please.
We'll chat about it later. We'll let that lip come in it.
But the Stitzler boob is only £15. Because the Stitzler boobs are usually £40.
Right, okay.
And real boobs are £100.
I have no idea what you're talking about.
You should. I'm gonna kick you in the belly.
Oh, no thank you. And again, there's all Naldinis over there. But he's only getting an ice cream. Oh, I know. It's definitely going to cost me today. Definitely. With the different hats, £10. Oh, this stuff.
Keychains, magnets.
You see the Formula 1 car, oh, a wee camper van as well. That might tempt me.
Did they make them by themselves? Yeah.
Yes.
I like the surfboard.
Yeah, I like your surfboards are cool. I like the boats as well. Oh, there's a wee and she's finally caught up with us. I don't know, it's just I said, where are they?
My birthday.
Yeah, we'll see, darling, we'll see. I'm just going to have a look at some of these classic cars, see if I can see anything I like. I know what I'm going to get in.
If you can really
Says
get
me,
a toy, how you
me
gonna
that
get
kicks about in a Ford C-Max 7-seater. Hardly a classic. There's an old car I used to have before you came along and ruined it. We used to have that car. Oh yeah, who's that?
That's a happy couple.
Ah, that's nice. Is that an Audi Quattro? I'm not sure. Let's see. I see a Porsche. I can tell with the lights. See if you can spot the Porsche.
I like this one.
Wee Boxster. Oh, you want that one? What's that? Alright, you've got good taste.
Wait, hold in the ball.
Look at that silver car. What, darling? I'll show you. Look at that thing. Faith's just, oh, there's Grandpa there. Grandpa might have your birthday presents, Ragnar. Go and see him. Triumph, and again one of my old cars again. I wish I knew they were going to the Classic because I kept a hold of them. Another wee 944S Porsche and a Trans Am. There's actually a lot more here than I thought there was going to be. A wee Triumph. No, don't worry, just walk right, it's okay. Cheers. Like that. Oh god, there's some nice cars here. There's that. Oh, there's the XR3i. That's a car I was desperate for when I was a teenager. There was no way you could afford it. She's not seen one of them in years.
We Boris. One of them.
Look at that thing. I don't know if that's a DB7, let's have a wee look and see. And look at that green car, the Mustang. Jeez, oh, some crackers here. I'm going to have to go in for a look. Yep, it's a DB7. Another one I was desperate for, couldn't afford. Look at that thing. There's a camper van as well, the Volkswagen. Can you have a look at that? I still want one of them. That's okay. Sorry. No doing it. A wee nosy in that camper van. Yeah, there's loads here. It's good with a right good turn it as well. Hopefully this rain stays off. One day I'll own one of them. One day. One of my wee, what's my wee snooch inside. Basic, but I love these. The old Chevy and the Mustang right next to it. I think I'd rather have the Chevy. Nothing wrong with Mustangs, but look at that. These are the kind of, I'd say they're 1980s classics. Oh, there you go. The ultimate classic, the old Cosy. Beautiful. They're rare. Is that the ST as well? I don't know if I know 3 ST's a classic, but I love them anyway. Let's have a look. I was wrong, it's not the ST, it's the RS. Even better. And then there's the old Escort RS 2000. You just want to go up towards that bit, see if you can get in the fire engine.
I'm hungry.
I know, we'll go back and get some food.
Oh, it's right there wants his toy.
Just heading up to the NLNI. I think they allow the kids into the fire engine, so I'll let you see that. Faithful Grandpa. There she goes. You want to get in, Faith? How do you mean no? You get shy all of a sudden. There you go. Your head's too big for it. It's okay, Ragnar. See if we can get an ambulance. I think you can. And we'll go and see. Yep, let's go. I'm going to get that in. Right, we're heading back down. We're getting hungry now. Oh, the whole gang's here. Even wee Sparkles. Oh, he's so happy. Had enough walking for one day? You know? All you've done's more about walking. Hey! Right, let's get back down here. Onward! There's one of famous handstands. Ragnar! Ragnar! What a boy. Getting plenty to eat here as well. There's actually more stalls than I thought there was going to be. And more cars. A great wee day. Oh no, the kids are running at that toy bit. Oh no. This is going to cost me. I'm going to quietly back away and see if I can go and hide. Oh no, she spotted me. Oh no. Oh, here it comes.
For £5.
One what?
Of them.
What is it?
It's like that. It's only £5.
Oh, it's only £5, alright. To add to everything else is £5.
I'll give you £1.50 because that's all I
Hey,
have.
wait a minute. I told you this was going to cost me.
Yeah, please.
Okay guys, let me see what you got. I knew this would come and cost me. Oh, right, okay, what's that?
I got a pink bunny. It's very fluffy.
It's a bunny. Would you get that?
Bro, you got that for your birthday.
Oh, very good. And we can get something as well, but what's that? It's amazing what I pay for. There you go. Back to work in a few days to work this off. Right, are we going to Wotherspoons? I hope so. Right, let's get to Wotherspoons. I've got to talk all this so I don't get copyrighted. Okay guys, well that's the end of our wee video today. I hope you enjoyed the classic car show and the kind of wee farmers market. That's us from sunny Largs. Remember, like and subscribe, it costs not a jot and it helps the channel. Cheerio!
Bye.
Oh, that was an enthusiastic cheerio. Alright, okay, we're off to Wetherspoons. Ah! Bye bye.
Bye.